Okay, so I'm in France. I've made it. I am just outside of Calais now. I'm gonna travel about 30 minutes to get used to the roads, just towards like Dunkirk, and then see how it goes. I'm just getting used to driving on the right hand side is a bit different. Yes guys, so I'm in a little town called, I'm just looking on my phone, it's called Bailleul. I'll put it on the screen. Probably a very bad pronunciation. So I'm just going to go and get some lunch. I'm really hungry. Find a little cafe and have a little explore of this little town. I'm about an hour away from Calais, on my way south. Haven't really explained what I'm doing in France yet, but I will later. I need to go and get some food. So I'm still in the same little town. I've had a nice little walk around the area and popped to a patisserie or a bakery maybe, and got my first croissant of the trip. Croissant. Here we go. Taste test. €1. That is very nice. I've also got, which I've already eaten half of, this like brioche loaf kind of thing. Baguette, chocolate chips in, which is also really nice. That is delicious. I was going to explain what I'm obviously doing in France. So you see me cross the Eurotunnel into France, and I'm essentially going to go and do 5 days skiing in the French Alps. That's what I've got booked in so far, and then where my adventures take me, I suppose. Rough plan is to explore some of southern France, maybe a bit of Italy, into Spain and Portugal and back round, but I'm just seeing where the travels take me, which is really exciting. I'm so buzzing to be here. I'm a bit tired because I was up really early now, but so it's the 23rd of March, currently 1 o'clock. I'm going to hit the road. I've got a couple of days to get to my skiing, take it nice and steady, probably 5 or 6 hours driving a day, just split it up and just crack on, get down there and enjoy the skiing on Friday. So I've just been to this little fresh produce place, which is really good, and it's called a Rond-Point Fermier. Don't know if that's a good pronunciation or not. Just picked up some bits, which I thought I'd try, you know, some local produce and support the local area. And it's probably really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Lidl and do a bit of a bigger shop now. That's the new fridge, by the way, if you haven't seen it. Can't remember if I've shown it yet, but yeah. First though. Ooh. A bit softer than I expected. Could be a cooking apple, who knows. Tastes nice though. Right, so I've just had a shower at a spot, and now I'm going to have some little bread with a bit of this balsamic extra virgin, and I picked up this. The sun is just setting through there. Quite nice. I thought I'd make further use of the French stick and have soup. So yeah, that French stick. Good morning from a sunny but quite chilly France. Can't quite believe I've woken up here still, to be honest. But we're here and I'm buzzing. Today I'm going to do a lot of driving, so I don't know how much I'll pick up the camera. Gonna head towards Dijon. I'm still about 9 hours away from my skiing and kind of want to be there tomorrow, so I'm gonna just do a big shift of driving today, get some breakfast and hit the road. I mean, this spot I stayed at last night, it's idyllic. You can see my van over there. Diversion, interesting. So I've stopped off for some lunch. Not sure where I am. I'll find out and put it on the screen. I've done about 3 hours driving so far, so making pretty good progress. Gonna have a bit of lunch and chill out. And it's really beautiful around here. It's just by a river, and there's a canal as well. So I'm just gonna go and have a little explore, a bit of relax, and then hit the road this afternoon. Because it's such nice weather, I thought I may as well stop off and just do some driving later on this evening when it's not as nice and hot. So yeah, I'm just going to relax for a bit, I think. I'm guessing this is the canal, but look at the colour of it. Oh, there's fish in here as well. It's really beautiful here. One of the reasons why I gave myself a bit of time to do this travel towards the Alps, because and not going on the tolls as well, and giving myself that extra time, because it means that I can just take it a bit steadier and stop off at nice places like this, rather than just travelling straight through. And it just makes a massive difference just having breaks from driving, just come out into nature and see some nice places. See it? Massive. I wonder what species of fish it is. Just trying to get a shot of the little fish in the water, but actually put the GoPro in the water, because I haven't really used it in the water yet. And yeah, a little bit of a slippage on the clay, so nearly went in, but all good. First things first, I need to do the washing up, and then I'm going to have a bit of a stretch. Do a bit of yoga, because I've been driving a lot and my body is aching. Yeah, sorry, the tap's a bit leaky, so I'm going to need to replace that at some point. This is the tap currently, it's like a hand one. It's gone really slow, it broke a bit yesterday. Right, so for lunch I'm going to do a little couscous dish. Fry up some onions, mushrooms, tomatoes, bit of couscous, mix it all in, job done, nice and easy. Okay, so a bit of a change of plan. I've had my lunch, just chilled out here where I've been for the last few hours. Contrary to what I said earlier about the tolls, I'm actually going to go on the tolls now. I've worked it out, it's going to cost me about 25 euros to go on the tolls. Where I want to stay tonight, which is probably about half an hour away from the skiing for tomorrow, is 4 hours with tolls or 6 hours without. So I'm saving the 2 hours there, which is massive. So I think it's going to really benefit the journey to go on the tolls this time. Just going to go and check out the river again and then get on my way. So a 4 hour drive. I've just stopped at the services, had a little coffee to keep me awake, and I'm 3 hours away. Should arrive at about 9 o'clock. So that will mean then though I'm half an hour away from my skiing, and I can actually go skiing tomorrow, buy my ski pass tonight, and yeah, sort myself out and then stay at the campsite tomorrow night. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I've just got to hit the road, get this driving out of the way. It's been a long old day. So I've just got to my park up for the evening. I've been driving for ages. I've been driving for about 4.5 hours, I think. I'm knackered. It's about 10:45 at night now, So I'm just gonna have a bit of food and go to bed. Took a few wrong turns, but it's all good. What I usually do, it's quite chilly outside. It's about 5 degrees outside. When it's cold, what I usually do is just whack the heaters up about 10 or 15 minutes before I know where I'm stopping. So I did that as usual. But because I took a few wrong turns and the sat nav sent me to a different place, it means in the back of here now, it's 32 degrees. It's too hot. Okay, so I arrived late last night. Let's have a look. I don't know what it was like out here. Whoa. Oh boy. Wow. Decent spot, eh? I've just had a little croissant for breakfast and I'm 22 minutes away from my campsite and where I'm going skiing, so I'm going to head over there now, try and check into the campsite early and then get my ski pass and ski stuff sorted and just suss out the area. I'm so glad I did that long drive last night, because now it means I'm only 22 minutes away and hopefully I can actually get skiing today. So I've made it to my campsite. I've got here nice and early and it's a really nice campsite. So I'm probably going to end this video here. I'm going to head up to the ski resort this afternoon, go and kind of suss out lift pass and hiring some stuff. Check this out. Got my ski pass. I've just been doing the same blue run, just kind of over and over.